Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen, ladies, good evening. This is Yenny Benso representing Team Premier. At naniwala ko sa kasabihan, kung may pera ka, magkundo ka na.
Hello, Merry Christmas everyone! My name is JC Bolivar Malipo, representing Team Aguila! At naniniwala ko sa sabihan, pag may client ka, i-close din mo na!
Wonderful! Happy buwan ng wika! Ayan, at pair number 2!
Magandang gabi. Ako po si Raphine Libaroma na nag-iisang maganda sa leasing department.
Good evening everyone, Merry Christmas, representing Team Strong Tower.
Thank you, baby boy. Regards to Tita. I love her. Raphine is my friend, for the record. Baka na-hurt kayo on her behalf. She's my friend. We're fine. Let's welcome pair number 3!
Ngayong gabi sa kanan, my name is Lindel Sumalpo, representing Team Champion. Naniniwala ako sa kasabihan na pag may pera ka, bumili ka ng kondo ng marami para magiging business mo.
Wow! Dapat nakasabihan mo, kung may pera ka, mag-vendor ka!
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Stevie Arizo and naniniwala ko sa kasabihan. Lamang ang palaging handa.
Let's welcome pair number 4.
Jessa Bandokeri representing Team Champion.
My name is Bajo Cruz from Team Strong Tower.
You're so strong, indeed. Thank you so much. May the purse be with you. Let's welcome pair number 5.
Good evening everyone, my name is Ryan Ardeserto, representing Strong Tower.
Hi, good evening everyone. I am Jean Zamoranos representing Team Champion.
Wow! Palakpakan po natin ating mga candidates. One line here. Ayan, isang line lang po. Wala po tayo director. Ako na lang po yung director. One line, dali, one line. Okay, sige po. Ganda. Oh. Attitude. Oh, okay ka. So cool. Ang cute ko ba eh? Ay, cute siya. Ang cute na sa malapit. Yung mas malapit. How old are you? Okay na. Di na tayo ng ano, Republic Act 90210. Ayan. Sige. So meron tayong konting chika-chika para malaman kung sino talaga ang winners natin tonight. So we will have a few questions for them. Okay lang ba, ma'am, sir? Are you okay? Friends ko lang naman ito lahat na we're just having fun. So ito lang ang question. Very easy lang po. In compound complex sentence, please explain the law of thermodynamics and avoid Durand. Happy ba karon, sir?
Yes, I'm happy kayo ma'am.
Pila na may halin na to?
So far ma'am, wala pa din ma'am.
Karoon naging ka mahalin na. Oo. Swerte ko sa kong sweets. Sige. Pagkarigahalin ng mga amigo. Oh, sir, sa'yo pa mga dali mo akong magtuba. Reluctantly young or a bit older. But equally beautiful ladies are vying for the title tonight. Who shall win? We will find out
ka pa? Akala ko na late ka.
Nakita ko yung anak ko talaga sa'yo.
Ay.
Iyan tayo siya. Muli ang pinaka-graceful na gasol na makita ever. Ayan, picture tayo.